Here's the famous Virgil's Barbecue. Excellent restaurant there, Osteria El Doge. Here we are on Times Square, Broadway. MTV Studios there. And here's Good Morning America's home studio. Last week I came here and Yo-Yo Ma was entertaining through this window. I called my wife and she saw my hat, which is hard to miss in the winter. Here's my hat. We're expecting 4 to 8 inches of snow tonight in New York City, so things are going to be kind of sloppy tomorrow, all the way through tomorrow into Sunday morning. So you might as well enjoy the clear sky and the view of Times Square, which has now become kind of a pedestrian walkway here, as you can see. It used to be jammed with taxi cabs, and they've closed off a good part of it. Here we are at West 43rd, Boulevard of Broken Hearts. This is where the famous town hall is located. Just around the corner, off a block. Now this is the Bank of America building. They've been building this for the past 7 years. They kept the old Henry Miller's Theater and built a new theater behind the facade, and that's where they're showing Bye Bye Birdie. And up straight ahead, made popular in the movie A Mighty Wind, there's the town hall. This is where we do our show. 4 weekends in December, 4 weekends in April. Here we are in the back hall, the stage entrance.
You going that way?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Tony Axtell.
1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think we need a.
Madeline
1, 2, 3,
Peru.
4, 5, 6.
Rehearsing, doing a sound check.
Ask you.
Here we are in the bowels of the building. Hello.
Hello.
This is the bottom of the famous town hall. Rich Dworsky, Pat Donahue. Hard at work, I've always.
Hey!
Just doing some documentation.
Oh,
Making movies.
Looking good.
With the camera.
Got the national. And where do the superstars stay when they're in New York playing? Well, of course, in a basement dressing room. And that's it. The basement bowels of Town Hall. So the scripts are done. Hi, Nick.
How you doing?
How you doing?
We're going to set you up. He's already sorting out some issues.
That's Madeline Peru's
No,
band.
at this point, there's intermittent pickups.
This is where the magic happens.
Happy holidays!
Sam Hudson. Thomas Shakespeare. 2 of our special guests tonight and tomorrow. Both shows, Norah Jones and Madeline Peru. Norah has a brand new album out called Before. Sound effects wizard Fred Newman is here to do his chainsaw.
Did someone say chainsaw?
Yes.
Wait, I got dizzy.
There's the evening repast.
Indeed.
We've got beef, veggies, noodles, and rice. Okay.
Not rusty as in not diverse, but like, you know, raw. It is. It's raw. Yeah. But it's still, I mean, it's simple.
What?
Stuff in there.
With the clouds on standby here at
every other airport in the There's gonna be a big storm.
Manhattan knows what's headed our way, so they are flying
12 inches in New York.
in warm and sunny
We may not make it home tomorrow. Thank you. We'll call. And what trip to New York City would be complete without the New York City Rockefeller Plaza tree and the skating rink and thousands of people? Here I am on the Today Show. There. It's closed though. We're still waiting for a foot of snow. There's Santa. Windows at Bergdorf Goodman are beyond belief. This is an Alice in Wonderland theme this year. Wow. Okay, we're in the bowels of, maybe I should rephrase that. We're in the basement of the town hall and have Martin Sheen with us here. Martin, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Always a pleasure to see you on Prairie Home Companion.
It's a pleasure to be here again.
What's your next movie project?
I've already done it. It's called The Way.
And it comes out when?
Hopefully next summer.
What's that about?
It's about an American doctor on pilgrimage in Spain along the Camino Santiago de Compostela.
Hey, very nice.
He's carrying the remains of his son. And he's on pilgrimage to finish a journey that the son started and died en route. And eventually it becomes his own personal inner pilgrimage.
Excellent.
Emilio wrote it and directed it and played a small part in it.
Terrific. You guys had a chance to work together much?
He's the only guy that'll hire me.
And then your close personal friend, Norah Jones. Norah, multi-Grammy Award winner. And you're going to do some acting today.
I'm going to do some voice acting.
And some impromptu singing as well.
Perhaps.
Okay. The Fall is out now, came out in November. And are you going to do a world tour for this one?
We're going to start in the States and see how tired we get.
Mark your calendars, because in March, I think we'll be in Minneapolis, St. Paul.
We will.
Excellent. So it's a pleasure seeing you here, and glad you've heard this show before.
I grew up on this show. So yes, it's
That means your mom was a big fan.
Yes, my mom is a big fan, but so am I, so it's exciting.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for joining us tonight.
Thanks.
Norah Jones, Martin Sheen. That's all, folks. Okay, so here we are on Sunday morning. About a foot of snow, 13 inches in Central Park. They canceled all the flights yesterday, all the flights today. I'm rebooked on Tuesday, 2 days from now, on U.S. Airways on one of those little commuter jets to Columbus and then on DC-9 to Minneapolis, St. Paul. And I don't know what the big deal is. It's cleared up. The snow stopped a couple hours ago. But a city like this, I guess they just aren't Minnesotans. By golly, what's wrong with these people? So we're waiting to see if I can get some more information from Northwest or Delta. Breakfast at Starbucks. So how to kill a Sunday when you're stranded in New York. Go see my fellow birthday mate, September 25th, Catherine Zeta-Jones, Angela Lansbury, Walter Kerr Theater, Little Night Music. 3 o'clock performance. This is what Times Square looks like on the day after a big blizzard. What blizzard? Why is the airline shut down for days? I don't get it. Meanwhile, they're enjoying a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know.